Hello and welcome. This video is for data vendors and intending V2O website owners that want a standalone website like Gem Hub Instant V2O Portal for themselves in order to have their own agents and affiliates to be able to earn commission directly from them and oversee the activities on their website. This is not free. As we go on, you'll get to know how much is involved. If you have already gotten your own website, congratulations to you and more sales and more money to your bank account. But remember to always advertise your business in order to have more customers and to make more commission from your website. So let's get started. If you have already gotten your own website, you will receive two email addresses. The first one is like a welcome email that consists of a website where you can access your admin dashboard. Then the second one is to tell you that your VTU site is already activated and ready to use. So in order for you to access your admin dashboard, you will go to web.samara.com. I will write it on the screen here. So you can download the app right there from the website. You go to your Google Chrome and you type in web.samara.com. But here I already have the app. So I'll click on the app. The first thing you have to do is to create an account for yourself. Because I have an account, that is why it's telling me to just enter my PIN and continue. For those of us that do not have any account there, once you open it, you create an account. When you create an account, you create a PIN. Please make sure that the PIN you create contains the numbers that you can easily remember to avoid any issue. So all you have to do is just to enter the PIN that you have already created. So it's going to load and it will open. Because I already have some website created, that is why it's showing all this. You have the Gem Hub, Data Network. So your own will be blank. So once you open it, the first thing you have to do is to click on these three dots and click on import. When you click on import, it will show you your manager ID. You go back to the email that was sent to you after the creation of your VTU site. The manager ID is already stated there. So you copy the manager ID from there and paste it right here. Once you paste it right here, you click on import. So when you click on import, then all the details in your VTU website will appear here. So just like we have these three, you will now have one, which is your own VTU website details. So all you have to do is you click on it just like this in order to view your platform. So it will appear this way. This is going to be your website address. So whatever name you put in, that is what will be used to create your address. This is the manager ID. It's active because it's a new website and the expiry date is going to appear here. If you quickly just want to access a particular area from your website back office, you click on this option in order to, you see, main dashboard, customer page, all this. But being the first time, you don't need to click any of this. So now all you have to do is to click on admin dashboard in order to access your dashboard. So here we are. This is the dashboard. This is the back office where everything that's going on your website is going on. So I've already added the logo of the website. I've already put many things in place. That is why you are seeing it this way. If you are just setting it up, everywhere will be blank. There won't be any value anywhere. There won't be any value anywhere. But because some activities have started taking place, so this button here is the setting button. That is where you click to, that is where you are going to click in order to edit your settings, to put in some settings and to correct any setting you want to correct there. If anybody send you message from your website, it's going to appear here under this inbox messages here, but there is no message yet. So when you click on the setting, this is the platform info. This is the information that I've already entered. This is the name. This is the name that will appear on your website. Activation code is disabled. Yes, you can enable it if you like. Then your number, this number that will appear on your website. The email, your website email. Then these buttons, you don't need to change them. So you just click update. But I've already done that. No need to update it because I'm not changing it. Under the general setting, this is where you put in your logo. I've already put it, so no need to edit. The name is there, the email. All these have already been done. I've already put in the address, the mobile number. You don't need to change this manager ID. You don't need to. Just leave it as it is because that is what will make you to be able to log in anytime. That is like your secret identity. So whichever on-page setting you want, how you want the buttons and the page of your website to appear. So you choose any color. I've already done that. So that's why I'm not doing anything there again. Then here, you don't need to change anything here. Just leave it as it is. Leave it as it is. The social links, this one is for search engine optimization. So you put in your Twitter, Facebook, all anyone that you have, put it in there, then save, because I've done that here. So there's no need to edit it. If anybody click on the Facebook icon on your website, it's going to take them to your Facebook page because you have already added it here. About us, I've already done this too, but in case you want to change it, the payment method, they are under empowerment, so there's no need to add any payment methods there because everything is automated already. So you don't need to do anything right there. The edit about us. So if you go back there, click on these three lines at the corner here under about. I've already put the about us. As you can see, I've put the logo there. If you click on this select section and click on about, you see I've already put information there, which you will see right there on your website. If you want to change it, you can easily delete the text here and put another one there. So the FAQ, that's frequently asked questions, you can add to it. I've already put two there. So if you want to add more, you can click the plus button, then click on question. You input whatever question you think your customer can ask. So this is it. You can add more to it if you want to, like I just did. So you go back to the three lines and check. These are the available services. It has already been marked. Some are fixed, some are flexible. Prices can change on depending on the network providers. So now the blog section. Excuse me. So the blog section you can add, I've already added one, which is the welcome message. So if you have more to do to add, you can add. You put the heading, you put in your details. You can even write articles, write maybe about even other businesses you are doing. You can write different things there. If people visit your website, it will be available there. So that's that about that. So let's go back, click on the red button, that dashboard at the bottom there. So here we are. We have already checked this, and let's click on the other three lines there. You see the admin dashboard, the cost all customers. Under all customers, the number of people that have registered on your platform, you will see them here. When people start registering as affiliates, you click on my affiliates, you'll be able to see them here when people start registering as affiliates. So the payments log, that's where all the transactions that have happened on your site, that's where it takes place. The price setup, that is where you set your price. If you are not satisfied with the commission there, you can adjust it, either increase or reduce it. This is the price list from our servers. As you can see, this is the price. So the percentage you put in there will be your profit. Just take your time to go through it. Either you increase or you reduce it, depending on you. So when you click there again, this is where you will see your transaction history. So all the transactions that have been carried out on your website, you will see it there, everything. Then the add-on panel. When you go to the add-on panel, you look at it. What do you want to add? You have 5 add-ons already. Notification message. You'll be able to receive message on your app. FAQ, which was done earlier. Then contact form, menu and contact form. People will be able to fill contact form from your website. Then the blog section too will be there. App header and sidebar. That's where you will click the side of your website at the top, and other pages, blog section, everything will appear there. If you want to add more, you can easily add more. So clicking on the plus sign, this is it. If you want to add, all these upper ones have been added. So slider photo add-on. If you want to add slider photo add-on, you can add it. If you want to add comment box, invoice and quotation generator, you can add it. This is very good for people will be able to print out receipts from the website. So let me add this. That have been added. So you click on the plus sign again. So if there is anyone you want to add again, modify integration. This one you don't need it. Anyone that's on empowerment plan does not need this, because you already have another option, which is this at the bottom, virtual accounts add-on. This add-on will create a served account number for your customers, and their money will be entering your API wallet once they send money to their account. So this is what is needed. It has been added. So anybody that register will automatically be able to generate an account, a bank account for themselves, in which if they send money to that particular account, the money will enter their wallet directly for easy transaction. So if you want customer to review your website, you add the customer review or testimonial. Let me add it. You can easily remove it if you don't want it. So that is done. Then we'll click on it. Any other thing. This check growth is just for you to enter from one date to the other to see the reports of the performance of your website. So that is that. So you can easily navigate the admin dashboard in order to take a look at it and do whatever you want to edit. You can easily edit it there. So I'm going back to the main. So we have the menus too. Add menu. If you have anything you want to add there, you can add. You click on pages or form at the bottom. Click on plus to create new page. If you want to create pages, maybe to talk about anything or to promote other businesses, and you need a landing page, a website page, so you can click on the plus button here and do it. Or if you have a document you want to attach to your website, you can just put the name here. You put, it's either a page ID or link, so you can just copy the link, whether document, PDF file, or even link to another site. You can put it there, just save it. It will be added. So now you are under empowered. The empowered, your API is already credited with 100,000 naira. That's your that's why it is empowered. So anytime anybody send money to their assigned bank account, it will definitely reflect immediately. There is no need for you to manually be funding their wallet. It is so easy. Your total number of customers will appear here. Your transaction in the last 60 days will appear here. The sales you have made will appear here. Then your commission appear here. In customer's wallet, the total amount that's in your customer's wallet will appear here as well. So now let's go to the configuration. So that's the setup. As you can see here, you have the V2 and payment setup, the V2 services and notification. Just explore all the options here. This has already been set up. This is welcome pop-up message. I've already put it there. If you are just creating your own website, you can easily add welcome message that you want right in there. This is time to cache settings. You don't need to activate it in order to avoid service provider problems because of stolen recharge cards, so that one will not put oneself into trouble. All this customers referral system, you don't need it because you are under empowered and you have already set up the seller setup and discounts. You don't need them, they are already disabled because we are using the affiliate program, which will enable people to create affiliate websites under your own website. Since it's already enabled, all these other ones are disabled. And this is far more better because it is soft life. It's as easy as ABC. Once it's enabled, I've already enabled it here. So I've enabled it. It was disabled before. So I've enabled it. I put in percentages and the amount. So I'll click on save. So now when people go to your website, they can create affiliate websites and you will earn commission from it. As you can see, your users will be able to create app and website for free via your platform and you will earn from their sales. So this is additional way of making money using your website. So we have been here before. So that is just it. With time, you can go over it again and again. Application view, it means the number of times your application or your website have been opened since the time the website was created. So it will continue counting till the site expires. But before it expires, make sure you do your renewal. So it will continue counting. Here is it has to do with the Google Play also. Before you can apply to have your website and app on Google Play Store, but now it's not possible again. So that is why you have this information here, which you can follow all these instructions to do it by yourself, or you employ somebody to do it for you. So that is all for now. In case you have questions, I will leave my number right here on the screen. So just contact me on WhatsApp to ask your questions for further clarity. So thank you for watching till the end. Wishing you more sales in 2025 and more money in your bank account. Stay blessed.